What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video and my good ass energy will make it better. But I want to thank everybody that subscribed to the channel. It really means a lot to me. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. We just hit 20k. It's just crazy to me, bro. Thank you so much. Let's just dive right into the video and make some fire beats. Yes, sir. Okay, so I just added some one shot in there from my new TikTok kit that I dropped with the team on secret.audio. Make sure to go check it out, download it. The link is in the description. So what I want to add right here is a lot of reverb. So Valhalla. Damn, I think it's sounding super fire. It's super wavy and ambient, like the type of style we like on this channel. Make sure to go check out the other videos up here somewhere. If you like this beat, you might like the other ones, bro. And I really hope you enjoyed it and learned from this especially. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.